This is the DC 202. We're going to run it at 139 RPM. The power, that's the RPM. It's adjustable from 90 to 170. This is the hopper we're going to put it in. And John's going to put in the dice. Here's the celery. And go ahead, drop it in. Gonna put it in. Now it's gonna come out. Alright. Now we're gonna dump it out onto, can you dump it out onto? Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. There's the dice. This is at 1/4 inch. Alright, you can see all the square pieces. Doesn't get that better than that. It's 1/4 inch cut on the DC 202. I hope you get a good picture of this. See? Beautiful. And as you can see, it's pretty high speed. Okay, thank you for watching.